old idiot. Yes, man.
Sometimes me feel wonder why me go a class when she's in the test, not even one me can't pass. Oh, to Ross. After an exam. If you have ever done an exam in your life, then you know exactly what I'm about to talk about. And for that reason, you should share this video and like it. Yeah. There are some things that happen after an exam that just piss me off. Especially since high school, I have been walking out of exams like this. Why the Ross me keep doing this to myself? Paper blank, why would it even waste my time for study? If me see how miss right now, I suffocate or bumbo in the test paper, I take you and shove down. Hi miss, it was good miss, it was good. Miss, let me ask you a question. And you know you always have the people them outside of the exam where you discuss everything about the exam where you just do, where you don't really want to hear at the moment, especially if you fuck up the exam and not in the good way. Hey Tina, where you put for the multiple choice number 24? See the answer, right? See, everybody, see, not true. We get that right. Everybody happy and a laugh and a boom our face. Hey, ooh, we get it right, we get that right. And you over here in the conversation just dip on be a screw face. We get that right. But you God them. You just a pre-fit dash a hand grenade in a crowd of them where you chat about the answer them. Where you know so you never get right. You know more time when you want to go your yard and then somebody spot you and just want to discuss the entire exam. More time them a chat about some sitting where you miss on the paper. See me. Yo Kevin, where you put for number 3 on the paper? Which number 3? You never do number 3, dog. The 2 questions, the instructions say if you answer. At 30 marks, you know? Oh my God, I never do it. You fail. You don't think someone know that? Then you have all the people that will talk about how they never study. And when the results come back, they get A+++++. Yes, asshole. You never study though. Then you have the people who as soon as the exam done, they broke their neck down to the teacher. Face wet and nose full of nose now. No man, I can check sir about this right now. If I never teach you that, you teach you 1 + 1 I come back and ask people to write paragraph. Me I got to him right now, because I now feel you mad, man. I got kill you with it. I think the thing that pissed me off the most though is when the teacher stand up outside of the exam with a smile on her face, well happy, so you feel she have the biggest grin on her face and I go on like you and her are best of friends. And say some shit like, how was the exam, Kevin? More time I haven't lied, give them some untrue answers. Miss, the exam was great. I answered every question on the paper. Every question. That's great, so A+? No miss, not A+. A++. That is what you said to them, but if you could assess certain things and not be punished for it, then the outcome of that interaction would be something like this. How was the exam, Kevin? You talk to me? Me. First thing, you turn about here and grin off your big teeth, them like Joker. And I come ask me, how was the exam? How was the exam? How was the exam? Bitch! Pardon me? Sorry, miss. Miss bitch! How was the... It's a good thing me wear a condom going to the exam? Because it get ass paper is a set for people. In a class you teach you 1 + 4. But go in an exam, look on the paper and everything look like writings on an Egyptian tomb wall. Me not understand nothing. And one question alone you could have do, another one will ask me, what my name? You hear me? Yes, when me get back all the paper there, if you know what good. You see beside the S, you write ULLMARKS. I come ask me how was the exam if I find a piece of thicker fling in your book. As a matter of fact, you want you give me back all of the foreign apple them when me can't go give you a class. You think that's a foreign apple come here? A Jamaica this foreign apple no grow up on tree out here. You know what? Knocks me on a Ross exam, you know what I tell you? Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy. Big up all of you and you take people and we are doing them exams, you know. So I say like the video, share the video for all the people who around the world we are doing exams, you know. If you know them type of people, yeah, if them type of shit they piss you off to, just share the video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to both channels that I drop videos from, the Kevin Too Crazy Show and the Duke Powell Show. And remember, think it, believe it and pass your exams for achieve it.